Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Tangem wallet. So guys, follow me in this video and this guide and let's get started. First guys, open your crypto.com apps. After that guys, go to account here, and from account all you have to do, go to crypto wallet and then select your withdraw, this option withdraw. So guys, you click this withdraw. After that guys, add the wallet address, this option, and from here add wallet address. After that guys, all you have to do, just click on select a cryptocurrency. For example, I want to select on USDT Tether. After that guys, what you have to do, write your network, select the network, this network Solana. After that, copy this address and go to Tangem wallet and click organize token. Go to Tangem wallet, click on organize token, three-dot line. After that, select wallet, and after that, click manage token, this option manage token. After that, search for token, for example USDT. You want to transfer Tether, select USDT and enable Solana chain or network. After that, go Tether, you will see Tether from here. After that, click receive option and then click continue. Go to crypto.com and click wallet address and then click withdraw. From here, write your phantom wallet, write your phantom Solana name of wallet, and then copy this address, click receive and copy this address. When you click receive, copy address and paste from here to crypto.com. After that, click continue the withdraw, and after that, the amount you want to transfer to Tangem wallet. After that, confirm transaction. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.